In this video, we're going to delve into a comprehensive comparison between TradingView and Zerodha Kite to determine which platform reigns supreme in 2024. To facilitate this analysis, we've prepared a concise breakdown outlining the disparities between the two. Let's start with charting capabilities. Both TradingView and Zerodha Kite offer robust tools for technical analysis, making them suitable choices for traders seeking to visualize market trends and patterns. Moving on to alert and notification features, TradingView outshines Zerodha Kite by providing comprehensive alert systems, ensuring users stay informed about price movements and market events in real time. When it comes to financial analysis tools, TradingView takes the lead once again, offering a wide array of analytical tools and indicators to aid traders in making informed decisions. Zerodha Kite, however, falls short in this aspect, lacking the extensive financial analysis capabilities found in TradingView. For those interested in live streaming market data, TradingView emerges as the preferred choice, offering live streaming functionality to keep traders updated with the latest market information. Conversely, Zerodha Kite does not offer live streaming capabilities. Both platforms excel in providing market watch functionalities with streaming codes, allowing users to monitor multiple securities simultaneously. In terms of extensibility, TradingView stands out with its unlimited extensibility options, enabling users to customize their trading experience with a plethora of third-party tools and indicators. Zerodha Kite, on the other hand, lacks this level of flexibility and customization. Both TradingView and Zerodha Kite offer mobile applications, allowing traders to stay connected and manage their portfolios on the go. When it comes to multi-stock basket trading, TradingView supports this feature, enabling users to execute trades across multiple securities simultaneously. However, Zerodha Kite does not offer multi-stock basket trading functionality. Lastly, for those interested in GT orders and triggered orders, Zerodha Kite has the upper hand, providing these order types to enhance trading strategies. TradingView, unfortunately, does not support GT orders. In conclusion, the choice between TradingView and Zerodha Kite ultimately depends on individual preferences and trading needs. We hope this comparison has shed light on the key differences between the two platforms, aiding you in making an informed decision for your trading journey.